Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm filming a really quick unboxing. I picked something up today at Chanel and it was a totally unexpected purchase, but it is one that I had wanted for a while but didn't really think was available here in Toronto. So I'm going to get right into the unboxing and then I'll explain after I open it. So here is the bag, and when we were shopping, the ribbon that they tie around the handles came off, so I just tucked it in the bag. And so this is my receipt. It has personal information on it though, so I'm not going to show the front of it. And here is the box. This is a true unboxing. I have not opened this. I just got home a little while ago, so wanted to open it with you guys. So the new collection just launched yesterday here in Canada, but this is actually from 18B, so the previous collection. I just didn't realize that it was available, so I happened to see it today and wanted to pick it up. So here's the care booklet and the dust bag, and here is the it's like the zipped coin purse, but this is the larger one with a back pocket, and it is in beige caviar leather and it's silver hardware. So they had 3 of these. They were all beige, but 2 of them were like with light gold hardware, and I was like, oh, when I saw the silver one, I knew immediately that I wanted the silver. I just love the contrast of the silver against the beige, and I had really wanted these when I first saw that they released a zipped coin purse in a bit of a larger style with the back pocket. I knew that that was perfect for me because the zip coin purse is my favorite Chanel SLG. I use mine all the time, and this one is just a little bit bigger, so it has 4 compartments instead of 3, which the regular one has. Here's the authenticity card. So this is a 26 series, and so you can see that it has the 4 compartments, whereas the regular one has 3 compartments, and I'll show you the comparison in a second. It says Chanel there in silver, made in Italy, and it's got the back pocket. And I know everyone loves the snap card holder with the back pocket, but I prefer the zipped coin purse. It's just, I don't know why, it's just my preference. So there's the sticker is still on the hardware. I'll take that off later, but yeah, it's just I think going to be a really practical piece. And I didn't have a beige SLG yet, so I am really excited to have found this. It was totally unexpected purchase, but when I saw they had it, I knew these are really hard to find. So just to show you a comparison, this is my regular style zip coin purse in light gold or rose gold, whatever you want to call it. So you can see that the beige one is a little bit bigger, a little bit wider, and of course has the back pocket. And then when you compare the inside, that has 3 compartments, this one has 4. So it'll just hold that much more, which I think will be really nice, but it's still compact. So that is my latest purchase. Totally, like I said, unexpected, but I'm really happy to have found this piece. I really hope they start making this in other colors, because it would be nice to have this in a fun color. But for now, beige is good, and I like the silver hardware. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to keep this short. thank you for watching, and if you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks so much and have a great day.